Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So KTM, we have a problem. So I saw a post on Instagram. Someone else had an issue with their KTM and they posted it, and they obviously contacted KTM. I think it was Credible Cause on Instagram where I saw the post. What happened to his bike was kind of unbelievable, so I decided to check mine, and it's quite an important problem. So this is happening on the 18s, 19s. I'm not sure about the 2020s, whether they fixed the problem, but this is kind of serious and you're going to want to check this on your bike. So if we go around to this side over here, so I'll just show you. As you can see, the bottom of the shock here, where you have the plastic guard, you can see that's the thickness on this side, right, where this bolts into. Now if we look at the other side, look how thin that is. So the plastic has been wearing away against the aluminium. Unbelievable, unbelievable. That is so close to breaking. Now this seems to be a common problem with the KTM, because Mike, one of the boys I ride with, he's just bought a 2019. It's got 5 hours on it and there's already wear on it. Mine has done 60 hours now, and honestly I can't even ride it anymore until that gets fixed. I'm gonna either have to weld it up, or I'm thinking maybe put JB Weld on it and maybe put a plate on it so it'll wear the plate before it does any more damage to that. But this plastic is unbelievable how much it actually wears, but it's only wearing on this side, so the thickness is still this side, but you can see here how much it wears towards that way. So I'm quite concerned about it, to be honest. KTM seem to think this is not an issue and it's a wear and tear problem, which is kind of a joke. That's the only, like, I've always run with Hondas, always had a Honda, so KTM so far, that's not a good sign for me. The bike itself is amazing, but that is a serious problem. So if I was any of you right now, I would go and check your bike and make sure your plastic is not wearing away as bad as that, because that is insane. So let me know in the comment section down below if any of you have the same issue as me, or if any of you have fixed the problem or contacted KTM or anything like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.